abusuafo ye chacha mubim eba eye Amansantie TV ensempa efi trending news ana politics bia no ehu news de eye ha eni efi a nsa ebeka ye tifo ye chacha obibia ewo bebia obibia ewo ebrei mu eye court na yekwa kopie na we eye popular case bi a eye popular yi ewo manga na mu a ehun prosecution na say ehun judgment ache yi ba enye asem ketwa na we eye Opuni case no ache say eye Dr. Stephen Opuni ni case a fertilizer ensensem ehun ena yiwra na asem wei asem a ana say asem bi a chere yi ewo court atna asem wei so ache enye asem ketwa na first na justice a oti asem so justice onye nuga now so opinion na assembly for I think 4 years or so ama opinion no akọ the retirement ama say new justice na say waba befa case na say ono na case no eso na justice ya obet na case no say no justice kwesi Justice Kwesi Ejima ona disi obetna assembly so na obetna assembly so no de ensimbia betudwa anye attorney general Godfred Yabu Odame anye ne de anye ne neji kra ema wa break silence ewo ho na wa rejected that offer ensempo atu court anim say debi enya dia obema kwan ama BBC akoso na edien na Godfred Yabu Odame ekoko apa ewo hi ni nyina se ye hwa justice onyanuga otena assembly so for 4 years or more na otena assembly so no oye many investigations ehwehwe mu bebre enya many evidences and by now kra no ya prosecutor opanyina nka enye nwanwa na so na jese na ensem bi enoma bi ntino prosecution entima anya adwuma man dia call retirement na ebra new justice ye friend no Justice Kwesi Ejima ebeso asem ni emu no enka ewo se ofa efri baby a justice wanyanuka edi esiye no nanso we die opanyin no emfasa na betudwade opese wo chenyina se opese o start the case afresh or start case let say case ya NC and I say case ya justice bia entna asem no so that na ohwe asem no from different angle with ono ankasa ne eye and I say ni intelligence on pese obekwako odino bekwako for the investigation no ma obi ayemu to pese ono starting the case afresh we and attorney general eti no si there be da enya dia obepene so say case yatena so over 4 years there say ye the case na ma se bra na bedi a eni kwan se wo san beka se o se kwa akosha ase na je se won so be sha ase abetena so for over 4 years ana no na ye se case no se omudi agura anhwa na dane foolish case na je se Godfred Yabu Odame I reject such an offer na osi we unfair. This is an unfair order to start Opuni case afresh is unfair. Na you say attorney general and they to court no and the attorney general and minister of justice has appealed against the decision by the Accra High Court to start afresh the trial of Dr. Stephen Opuni, a former chief executive of Ghana Cocoa Board. Dr. Opuni is standing trial together with Seydou Agongo, the managing director of Agriculture Ghana Limited, in a fertilizer deal. In a ruling on April 4th, Justice Kwesi Ejima the newly appointed judge who took over from Justice Clemens Onyenuga, now retired, stated he would conduct fresh proceedings into the case. Justice Jima said he does not want to be saddled with the suspicion and allegations associated with the case. But the Attorney General holds the view that the decision of the trial judge to start the trial afresh had occasioned a miscarriage of justice, as it will hinder an efficient trial of the accused persons in the instant case. He stated that the trial judge erred in forming that opinion because the Supreme Court had already dealt with the issue of allegations and suspicions. The learned trial judge exercised his discretion wrongly in arriving at a conclusion that he will be saddled with the same suspicions and allegations of unfairness leveled against the current state of proceedings, which have already been dealt with by the Supreme Court. The Attorney General stated that the trial judge misdirected himself in the application of the principles regarding adoption of evidence in a trial. He said the holding that a decision to adopt evidence in the matter amounts to adopting every act and decision that has been taken by the previous judge. And like I said, go for your boy Odame. Nensem na wode tu dwa no ensem a eto asomu eyi entiase enso ade a ewo mu efiri se obi atena asem no so that agada evidences nti se wo bedi asem na nka this is an opportunity crowd for you say obe finish case no with ease because ya gather evidences e wo honom dada the otena asem no so no onye justice hunu bi keke oye top justice ya onima de what you say eti e wo se enka otimi to aso na se wo kwa start na fresh de no ti no ko fe yabo Odame person o che se evidence is ogada any nyina wo se wo fa full evidence ya ogada ye no na ode to aso efi honom na asem no itimi edi efi eho as soon as possible. Fail to consider that the material factoring adoption of evidence is the evidence properly so-called led at the trial and not other unrelated matters. He said the judge ignored the point that the only motion pending before the trial court was an application for the previous judge to rescue himself, which had been rendered moot by the judge's retirement and subsequent placement of the case before the learned judge. He said the judge, in relying on irrelevant factors already disposed of by the superior courts, unfairly gave the accused persons a second bite at the cherry. Attorney General said the judge erred in ignoring the right and duty of the Republic to efficiently prosecute crime and placing premium on the presumption of innocence of the accused person. The ruling of the court was contrary to the principles of fair trial contained in Article 19 of the 1992 Constitution and as decided by the Supreme Court in the Republic. Not just say, Ebusia for a Attorney General in Cocoa Pie say, and ha say case ya tna so that a dear be do sa point we o ba ya o se wo dear there be o san here so be back. No kwa static case no from the scratch. Oh no. This is unfair. Attorney General we there me know ya adwen this is really unfair. So be sa kwa static case ni bi na just say justice when you got now what na asem so over 4 years no and for so be na say be eba so na you say why adwuma hunu na asesen there be you have to take it from there. Say the be ya bibia kra be call fast because case na chedada. I just say, Mabusia for we any nsema go for your boy Odame de betudwa. Na de beto form bia e wo bia no, e de ebe bremo ɛwɔ Amansantie TV. Amansantie TV deɛ nsɛmpa nko a ɛna yɛde ɛma yɛ tie for.